I'm ともし。こんにちは。ともしです。Welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I'm gonna teach you Japanese through anime and manga. First of all, you guys noticed? I got glasses! Actually, I love characters with glasses, but in this virtual world to get glasses needed a lot of efforts. Now, do I look like a teacher? Anyway, today I'm gonna talk about the variation of I in Japanese. As I've talked in my first lesson, there are various words which mean I in Japanese. So, I'm gonna show you 10 words that are referring to ourselves and the character using each I. Number 1. 私. This is the most common word means I. Otako and Mustang are using 私. Number 2. 俺. Regularly, it's used by men, but this doesn't apply to characters in anime and manga. Rin and Zenitsu are using 俺. Number 3. 僕. Usually, it's used by boys, but it's also used regardless of gender. Rika and Hisoka are using 僕. Number 4. わし. Many elderly characters use this in anime. Urokodaki and Yoruichi are using わし. Number 5. オラ. It's a dialect of 俺. Chichi and Goku are using オラ. Number 6. うち. It's used by both male and female, but I could find just female character. Ukyo is using うち. Number 7. 拙者. It's used by samurai or ninja. Kenshin is using 拙者. Number 8. 我が輩. It sounds kind of arrogant and old style. Keroro Gunso, Sergeant Frog, is using 我が輩. Number 9. Own name. It's usually used by kids, so it makes a cute impression. Rambo and Misa are called themselves with own name. Number 10. Mayuri Shina, my favorite character in the world, calls herself Mayushi. She is using the nickname. Mayushi is kawaii, kawaii is justice. There are more words referring to ourselves, but today I introduced 10 words. Each word makes characters unique and attractive. And one more feature is they can be changed by emotions or growth. Kenshin almost always uses 拙者, but when he gets angry, he uses 俺. Or, I used to use my own name before I entered elementary school. And then I used うち while I was an elementary school student. Finally, I've been using 私 until now. Try to use your favorite one when you speak Japanese. Next activity is Let's learn hiragana! I'm gonna teach you hiragana using character's name. エレンのエ. How was today's lesson? I hope you've enjoyed it. Feel free to leave a comment and a question. Thank you for watching. See you next time.